Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to boost performance and get higher speeds on your Google Chrome browser. So to begin, what we're going to be doing is opening up our Google Chrome browser. From there, as you can see, this is the previous video we've done with the incognito tab. So I'm actually going to I'm going to close this. I'm going to open a normal one. Hold on. So as you can see, I've opened up Google. From there, I'm going to press right on the top right, go to three dots and go to settings. From there, what I'm going to be doing is first of all going to the privacy and security tab. And the first thing we're going to be doing is going to cookies and other site data. From there, to send a do not track request with your browsing traffic, we're going to press on it. And it's going to tell you all of this. You can read it if you want. I don't suggest you do. Press on confirm, and that's it. Next up, under the privacy and security, you'll find the performance tab. From there, when on Chrome frees up memory from an active tabs, this gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources. Make sure this is on. From there, go to the bottom, power, energy saver, turn on only when battery is at 20%. You simply want to turn this off. From there, that is how you can boost your performance. If you want some more tips, we can go back to privacy, press on clear browsing data, and do this for the last 7 days and clear data. It should speed it up. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials, as we are uploading daily from now on. We are also glad to see our videos are getting more active views. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.